Welcome to watch today's Fresham. This Haussmannian apartment is anything but a cliché. While the herringbone parquet flooring and substantial moldings remain, Martin Massé's design has breathed a welcome and unique breath of modernity into it. When they arrived in these 160 square meters near the Trocadero, the owner couple opted for a subtle contemporaneity. The original moldings were kept on the ceiling, as well as the old wooden floors. They wanted a Parisian style but rather discreet, so we didn't recreate any additional Haussmannian elements, in favor of a more modern atmosphere, describes the Parisian interior architect and designer,